Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video I am going to show you some spring cottage kitchen decoration ideas. Let's take a look. Spring is the perfect time to refresh your cottage kitchen with soft colors, florals and light, airy textures. Let's make your spring cottage kitchen feel fresh, cozy and full of charm. Add soft spring colors. You can add shell green, blush pink, soft yellow, light blue. Use this in dish towels, mugs, bowls or small vases. Refresh your countertops. For spring, less is more. Lean a wooden cutting board against the wall. Add a mason jar with fresh flowers. Place a small oven basket with lemons. Keep open space so your kitchen feels light and fresh. Bring in natural textures. Spring cottage style blobs, oven baskets, rattan trays, light wood accents, linen fabrics. These soften modern kitchens and make everything feel warm and welcoming. Style your open shelves if you have them. Mix white dishes with 2 or 3 floral pitches. Add a tiny plant or crawling greenery. Stack plants neatly for a tidy look. Decorate above your cabinets softly. If you have a space above cabinets, add a light greenery garland. Place a few vintage style baskets. Keep it minimal so it doesn't look heavy. Spring styling should feel airy, not crowded. Brighten the sink area. The sink area is perfect for spring charm. A small potted herb, mint or basil, floral or gingham dish towels, a simple lace or light cotton curtain. Use seasonal fruit as decor. Natural decor is always beautiful. Lemons for a bright spring look, green apples for soft freshness, or even strawberries in a white bowl. It's affordable and makes your kitchen feel alive. Add soft spring scents. Scent is perfect for decor too. Light floral candles, lemon or fresh linen scents, vintage style candle holders. It adds that cozy, cottage feeling you love. Hang a simple spring wreath. Hang a small wreath on a cabinet door. Choose soft florals or greenery. Keep colors light, shades, cream, blush. It adds instant cottage charm without taking up space. Layer wooden elements. Spring cottage style loves natural warmth. Lay 2 or 3 wooden cutting boards together. Use a wooden tray to group small items. Add a rustic stool in a corner. Use glass for a light feel. Clear glass makes everything feel airy. Store flour or sugar in glass jars. Use clear vases for flowers. Display vintage glass bottles. Add soft floral artwork. Hang small botanical prints. Use vintage style frames. Lean a floral frame against a backsplash. Style a mini seasonal tray. On a small tray, add a tiny plant, a pastel mug, a candle. Add a touch of vintage charm. Spring cottage style looks even sweeter with an old style kitchen skill. Animal pictures, a vintage teapot on display. Slightly distressed decor pinches. Soften dining chairs. Add floral or gingham seat cushions. Use light pastel chair beds. Try simple linen slip covers. Style a spring centerpiece. For your table, a wooden bowl with lemons plus greenery. A white pitcher filled with tulips. A simple lace runner underneath. It is simple, cottage style loves effortless beauty. Let in more natural light. Open curtains during the day. Use chair or ledge panels. Keep window area uncluttered. Light is what makes spring decor truly shine. Layers of textiles everywhere. Spring cottage style feels cozy because of fabrics. Hang a pretty floral apron on a hook. Layer 2 or 3 dish towels in different patterns. Add a lace or light cotton runner. Decorate cabinet handles and knobs. A small details is big impact. Change to ceramic floral knobs. Use brushed brush for warmth. Try soft pastel knobs for spring. Add open baskets for soft storage. Baskets make everything feel warmer. Store napkins or bread inside. Place on top of the fridge. Slide small baskets under open shelving. Create a tiny garden corner. Line up 2 or 3 small herb pots and a tiny watering can. Use clay or white ceramic pots. It brings spring inside naturally. Add height for visual interest. Spring decor looks better when you use a small pedestal or riser. Place tall flowers behind shorter items. Mix tall plus medium plus small pitches. Keep one calm area. This is very important. Leave one counter section almost empty with just a cutting board, a plant, maybe one jar. A spring cottage style is cozy, but it should never feel crowded. A little styling secret. When decorating for spring, remove 2 items, add 1 fresh item. Keep natural light flowing. That's how you keep it light and seasonal. Add a soft spring rug. A small rug can completely change the mood. Try pastel tones or muted reds to connect with your old color palette. Use a washable runner near the sink. Display pretty everyday items. Instead of hiding everything, stack pastel mixing bowls. Display floral teacups. Leave a pretty dish rack visible. Functional can be beautiful in cottage style. Add something reflective. To make your kitchen feel brighter, hang a small vintage mirror, a glass jar, use brush or gold accents. Create a seasonal soap basket. Keep a small basket where you store spring florals, light dish towels, seasonal fragrance. Add a soft color inside cabinets. If you have glass cabinets or open shelves, line the back with floral wallpaper. Paint just the inside of a soft shells or blush. Use a pastel shelf liners. Hang hooks for pretty displays. Install a simple row of hooks and hang floral mugs, a gingham apron, small oven baskets, a light tea towel. Use fresh baking as decor. Cottage kitchens feel magical when a loaf of bread sits on a wooden board. A pie is displayed under a glass dome. Fresh strawberries sit in a white bowl. It's cozy, welcoming, and totally spring inspired. Add a light table setting, even daily. You don't need guests to style your table. Layer a soft runner, add simple white plates. Place one flower in a tiny vase. It makes everyday life feel special. Keep a fresh corner rule. Always have one small area that changes weekly.